Hey everyone, I am Sudeep. In this video, we will learn about max operator in MongoDB. In MongoDB, max operator updates a field value only if its current value is less than the given value. If the current value is greater than or equal to the given value, the field remains unchanged. Suppose if you want to write a query updating the GPA of all the students to 3.8, if their current GPA is less than 3.8, the query will be like this: db.studentscollection.update many. The condition will be empty because it has to check the each student's record in the students collection. And next, max operator, and the field name is GPA, the value should be 3.8. This will check the each documents in the students collection. If the GPA is less than 3.8, it updates the value to 3.8. If the GPA is already 3.8 or higher, it remains unchanged. First, let's write a query to get the current GPA of all the students. db.students.find for all the students, and it is GPA should be 1 and underscore ID equal to 0. In the result, we can see there are some students records whose GPA is less than 3.8. Now let's write the update query to update the GPA of the students to 3.8 whose GPA is less than 3.8. db.studentscollection.update many, and the first condition, because it has to check all the records, so it is empty. Then $max operator, the field name is GPA, value to be updated as 3.8. In the result, you can see acknowledged property is true. This means the query executed successfully. The matched count is 10, but the modified count is 5. Let's check whether the GPA is updated or not. In the result, we can see the student's record whose GPA is less than 3.8, it is updated to 3.8. If the GPA is already greater than 3.8, those are not updated, that remain unchanged. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing to my channel.